Right, okay, today what we're going to do is we're going to look at the performance of the orange Spektrum 6-channel RX from Hobby King. We're pitching it against the official Spektrum AR6210 and a more unknown RX that I bought from Hobby King months ago, to be fair. I've been flying it in a Spektrum 450. Never had a problem with it, but I'm just curious really to see how they all perform together. All three are linked up to one BEC, one battery, so they've got the same power source, and they are all bound to this DX6i, the same model number. So if I switch this on, put the throttle up, and switch this on here, basically they should all connect to the same receiver. So if I move the throttle up and down, all the servos move together. Now, the point of this test, I really wanted to do my range test first, as you probably would, but unfortunately it's raining cats and dogs outside, so I'll stay in the workshop and we'll try this. What I've chosen is a pretty poor battery really. It's currently 11.98 volts. It's a bit weak. It's ready for the bin. Not really the bin, of course. We should be dousing them in salt water and then discharge for a few days before we throw them away. Right. Okay. So the idea of what we're trying to do here is we're trying to see how each one of these receivers reacts when we have a brownout, basically. And I'm going to do that by moving the throttle on this DX6i pretty quickly up and down, which should make this voltage drop on this battery, which should cause one or more of these to brown out. Okay, I'm going to try and build it up slowly because I want to see which one browns out first if I can. I've got a feeling they all go at the same time. Okay, that's two of them gone. Okay, is that all three? Didn't quite work. No, that one's stable, so that's just two of them. The orange RX and the Spektrum AR6210 has browned out. Okay, let's see how long it takes before this one browns out. I would say something. There you go. So it's a significant difference there between the orange and the AR6210 browning out. Now, for those who are interested, the actual main power is first connected to the AR600, and then the other two are powered from the AR600. So if anything, the AR600, the AR6210 should really have the better of the power supplies. Now, what we're going to do now is we're actually going to see how these perform when we keep it at such a low voltage, to see if they manage to keep up and keep operating those servos. And now you can see that I'm waggling the throttle quite quickly now, and I can see that the orange unit and the unnamed brand is actually keeping up, but the AR6210 is really struggling. Okay, now of course we've got to take into account that we've got different servos here. Possibly a slightly unfair test. What I'll do is I'll film this again. I'll swap those servos around. If it makes a difference, I'll film it again. If it doesn't, we can assume that it was just the AR6210 that really wanted to shut down. You can see the voltage there is 11.84, and we've only drawn about 86 amps. So driving those three servos only taken it. 3 servos, 3 receivers has only taken about 0.86. That's 860 milliamps basically. So 5 amp BEC is fine for those 3 servos. Of course, we've got no load on the servos, so that would increase. But I have done other tests recently that prove that really a 5 amp BEC is okay for your servos. Right, okay, I think that's probably the end of this test. Probably nothing more I can do. What I'll do now is I'll replace that bad battery for a good battery, and repeat the test, and I expect the good battery to be able to hold those 3 receivers and 3 servos without browning out. Okay, thank you for watching.